for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It's about a new set of crochet locks that I did receive. These are from Amazon. So the company that I received them from is called AISI. AISI Beauty. So apparently they specialize in hair extensions. So this is what they sent me, along with some crochet locks that are ombre. So they go down to a blonde, it's brown in the middle, and like a 1B at the top. They are pre-looped, so you see the loop at the top. That's what you crochet into. I did make a crochet wig this time, you guys. I've been loving crochet wigs because it allows me to keep my crochets longer, and it allows me to have versatility in between styles. I like to be versatile. I like to be able to change my hair on a daily, and I find that these crochet wigs allow me to be able to wear my crochets, but to also still have the versatility, and it extends the life of my crochet hair. So if you want to find a way to be able to extend the life of your crochet and not have to sleep in your crochet, but also have the versatility, I think crochet wigs may be a great look for you. So this is the wig that I made. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I can even also see this in like some ombre and some all black and mixed together on one wig. So this is a U-part wig, so it does have space at the top. So what I'm going to do is just cut. There's like a little thread keeping the crochet wig closed. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this thread off. Now the crochet wig does have an elastic band on the inside, so I'm just going to lock this. Oh, excuse me, it's not an elastic band, it's adjustable strap. So I'm just gonna lock that in. This one doesn't have any combs. You can always add combs. You can pick these up at your local beauty supply store and add combs. I did make this wig. If you guys are curious on how I make my crochet wigs, I do have crochet wig tutorials on my channel. I also make these wigs for you know, my subscribers and my customers. So if you'd like me to make you a crochet wig, you can always let me know, and I'll go ahead and do that as well. You can see a catalog of all the crochet wigs that I make on gleemade.com, which is my website. So I am going to just pop this bad boy on. Right now, I think I'm just going to use a bobby pin or several bobby pins. When you're wearing crochets, sometimes crochets can be a lot. Wow, this looks cute. Very cute, very cute. Sometimes you can put these crochets in and have a lot of tension on your head. So if you're trying to avoid a lot of tension, the crochet wig may be a good option. Now this is feeling a little bit big, so I'm gonna just add bobby pins in the back. So yeah, that feels super secure. I love how this looks. This is gorgeous. Really, really pretty. I love this color. This is really nice for fall. I feel like this would be really beautiful for fall time. Now, of course, you're not gonna go out with your center not crocheted. So you can obviously just go ahead and crochet in to fill in the top. And if you get a U-part wig made by me, I will always add extra crochet so that you can you know, finish out your U-part at the top on your own at home. Or you can get a completely closed wig, so you don't have to worry about crocheting anything at the top. So I will always opt for a crochet U-part wig, especially if it's like pieces of crochet. So if it's dreads, faux locks, braids, Senegalese twists, you know, anything that's like individual pieces of crochet, I'll definitely opt for a U-part. Now, if it's just like afro textured hair or curly hair where you can easily, you know, disguise if it's a wig or not, then cool, you know, you don't need to use it as a U-part. But when it's pieces like this, I like to use it as a U-part. Alright, so this is the end result with the crochet at the top. So I'm definitely liking how this is looking. So cute. I love this makeup look with it too. It's like the perfect makeup. Definitely giving me fall, warm, chocolate vibes. Love it. Absolutely love it. So in this package, you do have some little like decorations you can use. I tend to usually have some on my desk, but I don't see any right now. But it doesn't really need it. It's really pretty. I love how it looks. And the texture feels like perfect. Like it's really a nice texture. It really feels like that texture of dress. Very, very lightweight. So cute. I love this. You guys need to make sure you check out AISI Beauty on Amazon. I'll leave links in the information bar down below so you can check it out. If you would like for me to make a wig for you, I absolutely can do that. I have examples on my website of wigs that I've made in the past, or you can always just send me an email or a message requesting a certain look or style, and I can give you a price quote. All my wigs pretty much ship within 7 days, depending on if the hair I have it here or if I have to order it. It could take a little bit longer, but we could talk about that if you guys would like to place an order. Make sure you email me at JessTheDragoness@gmail.com or head over to my website gleemade.com, and I'll leave that information in the comments in the information bar down below as well. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you so much. Make sure you're subscribed and you turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload, and make sure you share this video with a friend if you think it would be helpful or you think they'd like a wig. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.